Kum shibanta ban ai men siem sho bat pensloro yaki weki param samla haki kam yale kai sports ki khna school barim jongka Nativity Higher Secondary School Alumni Association hapo kajingalam uba ken pham khar Lyngdoh ubadai upresident haka khatsantrik ubanai naitung ajar san kiliyo ban Pynkup burom yaka samla Banrihun Lyngdoh hapo Nativity Higher Secondary School Maukrwat Southwest Khasi Hills District. Kumban punchkan mabat kumban kedau kasamla Banrihun Lyngdoh kabakhat news nam karta kadai kabadang pule haka kelas 9 hapo Nativity Higher Secondary School Maukrwat bat kadai kasamla kabaliyo ban khor arteli kita kamaksiar haka lempung National Arm Wrestling Championship Arajar Arpusan kabal penong daga Kerala Arm Wrestling Association. Hakane kasngila sakhilang na do principal ka Nativity Higher Secondary School Ufada Alphonsius Walang ka Sister Sabina Mawyong Headmistress Samla Downing Star Marweng ba Kordor Khar Lyngdoh ki nohikai lembat ki khna school.
Very proud to announce before you the student that Banrihun back 2 gold medalists in the national championship held in Kerala arm wrestling. So we feel very proud about her and we wish her good luck in the future, and especially we wish her to do well in the future, to do and practice well, so that we will see you in the other stage, and not only in the national. We also would like to see you in the international stage, so that each one of us we will feel proud as we gathered here today. So I request our fellow alumni students to come forward to facilitate her in front of everyone, all the students gathered here, and the teachers and sister, headmistress and the principal. So I request to facilitate her. First the flower. We would like to welcome. We would like to. It's as a sign of traditional, so we give her one pig and the Ginger India and small token as a sign of help from the Nativity Higher Secondary School Alumni Association. So this is just a small token that we have given to Miss Banrihun Lyngdoh. This is just a small token, but from our heart, we express deep gratitude, and we express our gratitude to you that you will shine day by day, and we should work hard day by day, and remember this thing that in every field that you are taken, you have to work hard every day, and you have to work hard from deep down from your heart, so that you will shine more in day by day. So from the Nativity Higher Secondary School alumni, once again we would like to express that this is just the beginning, and we are very proud that I think from the school, this is the first time, I think, in every field, in the sport, I mean, that Banrihun brought these 2 gold medals as a proud to the school, and at the same time also for the Southwest Khasi Hills District, Maukrwat. So once more, I would like to request each one of you to give a round of applause.